51. The binary number of 011011101 is which of the following decimal values? A. 101, B. 109, C. 135, D. 143. Answer: 109. To convert this binary value to decimal, you take the value of each bit set to 1 and add them together. 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 equals 109. 52. Which class address always has the value of the first bits in the IP address set to 110? A. Class A, B. Class B, C. Class C, D. Class D. Answer: Class C. Class C addresses always have the first 3 bits set to 110. This means that a Class C address ranges from 11,192 to 11,011,111, 223. 53. Which class address always has the first 2 bits of the IP address set to 10? A. Class A, B. Class B, C. Class C, D. Class D. Answer: Class B. Class B addresses always have the first 2 bits set to 10. This means that Class B addresses range from 10,128 to 10,111,111, 191. 54. Which IP address class always has the first bit in the address set to 0? A. Class A, B. Class B, C. Class C, D. Class D. Answer: Class A. Class A addresses always have the first bit of the IP address set to 0. This means that Class A addresses range from 000000111 to 0111111, 127. 55. Which protocol is responsible for converting the logical address to a physical address? A. TCP, B. IP, C. ICMP, D. ARP. Answer: ARP. Address Resolution Protocol, ARP, is a network layer protocol that converts the IP address, logical address, to a MAC address, physical address. 56. The ARP request is sent to which of the following Layer 2 destination addresses? A. FFFFFFFFFFF. B. 192.168.0.255. C. OOFFOOFFOOFF. D. OOOOOOOOOOOO. Answer: FFFFFFFFFFF. The ARP request message is a broadcast message and is therefore destined for the broadcast address of all F. 57. What are the 3 phases of the TCP three-way handshake? A. ACK, SYN, SYN, ACK. B. SYN, ACK, SYN, ACK. C. ACK, SYN, ACK, SYN. D. SYN, ACK, SYN, ACK. Answer: SYN, ACK, SYN, ACK. The TCP three-way handshake starts with a SYN message from computer A to computer B. Computer B then sends an ACK, SYN message, which is then followed by computer A sending an ACK. 58. Which of the following does TCP use to guarantee delivery? A. Source and destination IP address. B. Source and destination port. C. Sequence numbers and acknowledgements. D. Sequence numbers and ports. Answer: Sequence numbers and acknowledgements. TCP assigns each message, known as a segment, a sequence number. When a message is received at the destination, it sends an acknowledgement based on the received sequence number indicating that the message has been received. 59. What TCP/IP protocol is responsible for logical addressing and routing functions? A. TCP. B. IP. C. ICMP. D. UDP. Answer: IP. The Internet Protocol (IP) protocol is responsible for logical addressing and routing functions. The IP protocol runs at the network layer. 60. Which transport layer protocol is responsible for unreliable delivery? A. TCP. B. IP. C. ICMP. D. UDP. Answer: UDP. User Datagram Protocol (UDP) is responsible for unreliable delivery, which means it does not track whether the data has been received at the destination. 61. Which TCP/IP protocol is responsible for error and status reporting? A. TCP. B. IP. C. ICMP. D. UDP. Answer: ICMP. Internet Control Message Protocol (ICMP) is responsible for error and status reporting and runs at the network layer of the OSI model. 62. The router looks at which field in the IP header to decide where to send the packet? A. Source IP address. B. Destination IP address. C. Source MAC address. D. Destination MAC address. Answer: B. Destination IP address. When a router receives a packet, it compares the destination IP address in the IP header against the routing table to determine where to send the packet. 63. What flags are set on the second phase of the three-way handshake? A. FIN, SYN. B. ACK, FIN. C. ACK, SYN. D. ACK, RST. Answer: ACK, SYN. The second phase of the TCP three-way handshake is ACK, SYN, which is a system acknowledging it has received the other system's SYN message but at the same time sending its own SYN message. 64. Which flag is set in a TCP packet that indicates a previous packet was received? A. PSH. B. FIN. C. ACK. D. RST. Answer: ACK. The acknowledgement flag, ACK, is set on a packet to indicate that the message is confirming a previous packet has been received. 65. You wish to allow echo request messages to pass through the firewall. What ICMP type is used in an echo request message? A. 0. B. 8. C. 3. D. 11. Answer: 8. ICMP type 8 is used for echo requests, whereas echo reply messages are ICMP type 0. 66. Which of the following are fields found in the IP header? Select all that apply. A. Sequence number. B. Destination port. C. Source IP address. D. Type. E. Time to live. F. SYN flag. Answer: Source IP address. E. Time to live. The IP header contains information used by the IP protocol. Things such as the source and destination IP address, along with the TTL, are stored in the IP header. Source and destination port information are stored in the TCP or UDP header, and sequence numbers and acknowledgements are stored in the TCP header. 67. Which of the following are considered application layer protocols? A. TCP. B. IP. C. FTP. D. ICMP. Answer: FTP. FTP is an example of an application layer protocol. IP and ICMP are network layer protocols, whereas TCP is a transport layer protocol. For the CCNA exams, you must know the layers of the OSI model and what protocols run at those layers. 68. Which transport layer protocol is responsible for reliable delivery? A. UDP. B. ICMP. C. IP. D. TCP. Answer: TCP. TCP is responsible for reliable delivery. Note that UDP is a transport layer protocol, but it is used for unreliable delivery. 69. What ICMP type is used by the echo reply message? A. 0. B. 3. C. 5. D. 8. Answer: 0. The echo reply message uses ICMP type 0. Note that echo request messages use ICMP type 8. 70. The security administrator for your network has asked that you block ping messages from entering your network. What protocol would you block? A. ICMP. B. IP. C. TCP. D. UDP. Answer: ICMP. ICMP is the protocol used by the ping command, so to block pings you need to block ICMP. 71. Which TCP flag is responsible for dropping a connection at any point in time? A. PSH. B. FIN. C. ACK. D. RST. Answer: RST. A reset flag, RST, is used to drop the TCP connection at any time.